Hey folks, today we're going to review some pretty compelling data on two of AbbVie's key assets, Upadacitinib and Risankizumab, specifically looking at 2025 HEOR studies that really highlight their real-world effectiveness and cost-effectiveness. Let's get into it. We'll review three key combined findings. First, clinical outcomes. Second, quality of life and adherence. And third, economic impact. And then we'll close with the strategic implications for each of these. So starting with clinical outcomes, the data show that both Rinvoq and Skyrizi demonstrate strong performance in key areas. For Upadacitinib, we saw very nice disease control in rheumatoid arthritis reflected by reductions in hospitalization and surgical interventions. In psoriasis, Risankizumab demonstrated excellent skin clearance results with over 70% of patients achieving PASI 90 and more than 56% reaching PASI 100. So this is pretty compelling stuff when we think about the fact that these are real-world data showing that both of these drugs are not only safe, but also highly effective in these indications. The next thing I want to highlight is that both drugs showed improvements in quality of life. Upadacitinib users gained substantial quality-adjusted life years, and Risankizumab users reported higher treatment satisfaction, improved dermatologic quality of life, and longer treatment persistence. This is important because high adherence and strong patient-reported outcomes make both therapies more attractive for real-world application and payer support. And finally, from an economic standpoint, Upadacitinib proved cost-saving in modeled scenarios, with societal savings ranging from hundreds of thousands to more than $900,000 per patient over 10 years. While there was no direct economic modeling provided for Skyrizi, the strong durability and outcome persistence observed in the real world suggest a favorable long-term value proposition. So let's move to the strategic implications. From a market access perspective, these studies can help support getting these drugs into formularies and drive reimbursement discussions given the compelling evidence of real-world effectiveness. Also, from a competitive advantage standpoint, the high efficacy and patient satisfaction will help fend off biosimilar and emerging competitor threats. And finally, from a portfolio synergy standpoint, these data reinforce AbbVie's multi-indication approach and future immunology pipeline opportunities. In conclusion, Rinvoq and Skyrizi are not only dominating sales charts in 2025, they are also backed by robust evidence showing that they improve health outcomes and deliver economic value. Upadacitinib's cost-effectiveness in RA and Risankizumab's real-world success in psoriasis make a compelling case for continued investment, access expansion, and strategic support from payers, providers, and policymakers alike. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.